Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's training on how to become a summit producer so you can get paid premium dollars producing it for other influencers or for other peoples in the industry. My name is Mari Graceberg, and I will show you in this training how to become a summit producer and start charging premium for it, like five figures and above. So why virtual events or why virtual summits? The reason being is besides what's happening now with the pandemic that closed off lots of local events, virtual events are great because you can reach a wider audience, and of course it's less costly compared to create doing a local event. And of course, it's easier to produce. I mean, with technology that we have right now, it's a lot easier than you think producing a virtual event. So why become a producer? Why do you produce events or summits for other people or for other influencers? Because like what I've said, there's a lot of opportunity to help businesses cope with the effect of the pandemic. There's a lot of businesses closing off because of the pandemic. And the only way that they can adapt is to go online. So if you can help these businesses, small business owners or even medium-sized companies produce their events online, digitalize their presence online, you are doing a great service to them. And of course, you can create revenue upfront by charging five figures and above, producing this events for them, producing these summits for them. And what I love most is that you don't have to do all the work yourself. You can delegate, you can outsource some of the work that's entailed in producing a summit. And it, you could be just a manager for it. You could be just the organizer for it and find the people, find the team to do all the legwork for you. Now, how do you get started as a summit or event producer? Great question. First off, if you are new to this niche, to this area, to this concept, you need to get the knowledge, tools, and the resources to start producing summits or events for other people. And like what I said, you don't have to do all the legwork. You can delegate a lot of the work in producing an event, but you need to get the knowledge of being a producer because you will be the face of your brand. You're going to be the one finding clients. And enrolling clients, and you need to know at least you have a knowledge of how to become an event producer. And this could be like a full-time job for you. This could, if you are a freelancer or if you are a virtual assistant, this could be, or even a digital agency owner, this can be a great addition to your offerings. And do this as a service for your clients is a great opportunity that is growing by leaps and bounds every day. And that is not just now with the pandemic, but it's gonna get even bigger now that companies and people got a taste on what it is to do this virtual. This is gonna be a mainstream thing, and you get to take part in the pie. So I really encourage you to take a look if this is something that you want to learn more about. If you are a freelancer or a virtual assistant or an owner of a digital agency and you want to incorporate, you want to add this service to your offerings, I really encourage you to learn this one. And I have a free guide, a developer free guide on how to become a summit producer. For your company or as an agency or a virtual assistant or a freelancing business. And you can get them by commenting below. If you comment yes below this video, I will send you the link to download it. So it's the how to become a summit producer and earn five figures and up per event, and have a system that I do to walk you through on how to become one. So make sure to comment yes below this video and I will send you the link. All right.